Hey guys, so we left off with double jump. So today we are going to tackle crouch. Sliding, I'll have to do a lot of figuring out myself, or maybe we can do it together on the video. Um, so crouch for sure. I'm going to aim this and also aim these two topics. I'll do it in this video and cut it out for you guys. Okay, so I also was just checking. I feel the projectile is too close, so first I'm going to increase the projectile to something like 3500. So the distance is pretty decent. Yeah. Um, Maybe we can increase it a bit further. Let's see later on. Also, I think that double jump works great uh, when you're hitting it when you rise, when you do the first jump. But while you're in the descent, it doesn't work as well. So I was thinking of maybe fixing that. So 3500 already done. For the player, we can do we can just click this boolean. So this overrides the whatever existing z value we have, which is the jump value we have. So even if you're in the descent, you will have a crisp jump, and of course, if you're at the peak of your previous jump, then you can do a big one. That's for sure. Also, I'll increase the jump just a bit more, like the initial jump a bit more. So yeah, something better. This looks great. Alright, let's see if I can totally cross this one. Still, boom, boom. Oh, easy. Alright, just what we want. Alright, great. Just see once more, and then let's just do the crouch. Alright, this one was for attack. Alright, we'll have something here. So we'll repeat the process. We'll create action mapping. So I'm not going to do anything here. That's fun. And then we'll go to the input mapping, camera, jump, it's goal board, and we'll have C and crouch. And just, uh, yeah, I don't think we need anything here. Okay, so here we will say something like this, and we in black, and we will say a crouch. So we're going to do a flip-flop. Flip-flop only works in the event graph. It does not work in the function, so make sure about that. So on complete, we can do a flip-flop. If you're crouched, then uncrouch, or uncrouch to crouch. That's all. Let's see if it works right out the box, or we have to do something here. Yep, it does not do anything for us. So we will have to basically add in our code to make it crouch and uncrouch. It doesn't seem to work for us. Yeah. Okay, so I went to the character movement and looked at crouch. This was disabled. Let's see if this does the trick. Yeah, it does. Definitely, you can see we are a bit slower and a bit down. the height is shorter, so that's good. And of course, we can still. All right, awesome. So I the crouch is done. Um, I actually forgot to add. Let's add it here. Let's add it here, and we'll say sprinting. Alright, so sprinting. We'll have to just repeat our process. No, not spring. It's sprint. What just happened? Okay, that's okay. Sprint. Let's just and should we try a modifier here? Like smooth input out over multiple frames. We can do that. Uh, hmm. uh, let's see if we can use this smooth by default. What results it gives us for only sprinting. So we'll have a simple color code, like a single color code with this one as well. So um, because it is part of movement, right? So it is better to kind of helps with figuring out when you have a huge blueprint setup. Also looks good. So here we will say, um, oh, smoothing will not work because we've put it as a boolean. So if we change it to one directional, then it may help. Uh, all right, let's leave it be for now. Just delete this. Not going to test that one out just as yet. Uh, let's just say if it is started. Okay, we just copy this one. We'll say is sprinting question mark. All right, so completed, not sprinting anymore. Started is sprinting. All right, and also we'll say um, we'll put this one to jump and this one to locomotion. So we'll just say locomotion. All right, the sprinting starts true, and here we will add a new sprint speed, and we'll also say walking walk speed. Okay, we'll put both of them here. So sprint speed will be something like 1500, walk speed is 600, and we will say character set max walk speed. And do this as well. So this would be sprint, this would be walking. I think that should sort it out. This is sprinting, and this is walking. Sprinting, okay. Sprinting, okay. Sprinting. Maybe we can have a more drastic kind of a thing. And also in here, I can change the what is it? The acceleration. Acceleration, here it is. Max acceleration. So this could be If you want it more gradual, it could be less. If you want a spike, you can have it like this. Of course, things will require a lot more. What do you say? I like this view.